All right. So let's do number 6 real quick, and then I'll give you the practice test answer key. Yeah. If I could just count, my job would be so much easier. What happened? Well, I gave you. Oh, really? Okay. Neato. Somebody's like, thanks, Jeff. All right. So let's do number 6. You guys all have all these now. So. Here. So let me see if you guys can see this much. I can rewrite this as natural log of x over y dx equals. Let's see.
What happened to the
What happened
to the y out front?
Yeah. After first the df.
Yeah, the
YLN.
Help me. Natural log of x over y minus 1. Is everybody cool? I divide by y? Oh, yeah. See, because there's an extra x that was in that one and the extra y that was in that one, they got together. Look at them getting together. It's so beautiful. So then I would like what? Same thing I did over there, right? Except you reverse. If you like the book using v, I don't because my v looks like my u anyway. So u equals x over y.
You should look up my name, my last name.
Oh, okay. V, I like it. You're just there. If only it was of.
Yeah.
It's close enough. The first part of by parts, I love it. All right, real quick. The hard part was probably just realizing to do this, but we sort of forget rules of logarithms. You almost have to be to the point where you see that, you're like, why the hell would you write that? Just combine the shit. It should be sort of, you should feel that.
Was the dx with the xy going front going the exponent?
Say again, sorry?
So xy ln of x over y?
Yes, I mean, if you really wanted to, you could
Would
make that.
Would it make it easier or harder?
Think about it. U to the U.
Yeah.
X to the X was a function I had to analyze on my junior math proficiency exam in college.
Okay.
X to the X is some weird shit. You don't want to do that. So you get, so here of course you get dx equals u dy plus y du. Is that cool? I mean, that's old news. So then I'm going to get natural log of u times dx equals u natural log of u minus 1 dy. Sucks with my u's is they sometimes get long freaking tails with look like y's. So notice u natural log of u dy, u natural log of u dy. You guys see that? And then I get y natural log of u du equals negative dy. Let me stop there for a second. Because I can certainly make mistakes, but I don't think I have yet. Does everybody follow what happened? Right, this is u natural log of u dy. That's u natural log of u dy. They're going to cancel. Awesome. Let them do that. Then I get that, and I get that, and now I can just
Excuse me.
divided by y. Now, to be honest, this is one you should know. This is not your standard integral thing, but you guys should really, probably, you should know this.
X ln of x minus x?
I like it. Or you'd have to use, to do this integral, you'd have to do,
Integration is my thing. I love integration.
you'd have to do by parts, believe it or not. Can't integrate this, so you'd let this be u, and you let this be dv. Feels like it's going backwards, but then it doesn't. So this is ln, this is u ln u minus u equals negative ln y. I don't have to worry too much about it. U was y over x. Now, yeah, there's really nothing great you could do with this. Was it y over x or x? It's x over y. Yeah, plus c, thank you. Yay. And then can you get Yeah, that's really the only, again, solve for C, but it's, let's see, there's nothing jumping out at me that you could really do that would be useful.
No, use ln and combine your ln's with your ln.
Yeah, this is interesting. You get x ln x minus x equals, screw it, Jeff, simply. This would be
Y minus 1, right?
x ln y minus ln y minus x ln y. I still have an x over there, too bad. Plus cy. I was trying to make all my x's and y's on one side, but I don't think I can. Anyway, yes?
Why is the u supposed to be y over x?
So again, technically, not even technically, the book says use a v here, right? Who gives a shit? I mean, I could use an m here if I really wanted to. You with me? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make it sound like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make the point. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't. Yeah, if you always want to use u within a single problem, there's nothing wrong with it. There's no reason to make a distinction because it's never going to happen in the same problem. Does that make sense? I always was like, why do they use a v? It doesn't matter. In a single problem, I could use any letter I want to there. I like it. All right, in the little bit of time we have left, anything we desperately want to look at? Oh, real quick. Wednesday's the test. I could be in my office a little earlier than normal if I knew people were going to come.
Okay.
So I mean, like, normally I'm there. What time am I normally there? 4?
Like 4:40.
40 or something. So I could be there like 4. And if enough people come, we might try to find a bigger place.
I don't think anyone's.
It's up to you guys.
At that time.
Huh?
I think this is open. At that
Maybe.
time.
This might be open. I don't know. Is anybody ever here early enough to know if
I
this
get
is...
here. I get here at like 4:30.
We'll find out. I don't see anybody like saying, I'll be here. So you will be? Okay. You'll be there? Okay.
If I don't, then I hit rush hour traffic.
Yeah. I'm here the whole day since 6 and 7 a.m. So.
This is going to sound silly. Can somebody email me, remind me I just said that?
Yeah. Sure.
Yes.
Thanks.
Right
I
now.
get
14
Right
emails
now.
No, it's fine. I don't mind. I'd rather have 14 than none because then I don't show up and you're like, what the hell?
That's what you're recording in now.
I watch every one of these. Hey, Jeff, it's you.
So homework due is up to 2.5.
Correct.
Yes, that's right. And 3-1 is extra credit. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. There's probably going to be a bonus question from 3-1. And then there's going to be at least one other bonus question that everybody should be able to attempt. All right? Oh, yes, thank you. All right. There's somebody on the ball. Here's the practice test answer key. I don't think, shit. Yeah. I think I did number 6. But number 6 was the one from the book that had the direction field kind of graphing thing. I don't think that should be too evil.
What time?
4 o'clock. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going to have people, you said you'd be there at 12. My memory's not that bad.
I find out what I get wrong when I
feel
took where I saw the picture reciprocal to make it pretty. But what happened was when I had the u squared, the u minus 1 squared, I carried it over. I squared the u. I didn't carry it as a function squared. I carried the u squared over.
C, but you get absorbed as 1C, so you really, because then you subtract this C, right? And we'll go to the other C. That's it.
You know what I mean? I squared just the u instead of the function.
Okay, left-hand side.
That's